Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0107 indicates that the Manifold Absolute Pressure (MAP) sensor circuit is experiencing low voltage conditions. The MAP sensor is a crucial component in the engine management system, and its primary function is to measure pressure or vacuum in the intake manifold. This information is essential for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to make real-time adjustments to optimize engine performance. In the context of the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, equipped with the K24W1 engine, the proper functioning of the MAP sensor directly affects throttle response and fuel efficiency. When low voltage from the sensor is detected for an extended period, the PCM registers this condition as a fault. Understanding this DTC helps in pinpointing the root cause, enabling effective troubleshooting. In summary, the P0107 diagnostic trouble code reveals a low voltage issue within the MAP sensor circuit, which can significantly impact engine performance if not addressed swiftly. Understanding the critical role the MAP sensor plays in managing engine function, as well as the various potential causes of this DTC, is crucial for effective repairs. A systematic troubleshooting approach is vital to pinpoint the issue accurately and to implement appropriate solutions. Furthermore, preventive measures are strongly recommended to minimize the risk of future occurrences, ensuring a smooth operation of the vehicle. Keeping the MAP sensor and associated wiring in good condition can lead to optimal driving experiences and enhanced fuel efficiency. The MAP sensor plays a pivotal role in the vehicle's engine management system. Located directly in the intake manifold, it measures either pressure or vacuum, converting these measurements into electrical signals for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to interpret. Specifically, when the throttle valve is closed, a high vacuum condition is indicated by a low voltage output, while a throttle wide open condition generates a high voltage output. If the output from the MAP sensor falls below a threshold of 0.23 volts for at least 2 seconds, the PCM identifies this as a malfunction, thereby triggering the DTC P0107. This malfunction can lead to improper air-fuel mixture adjustments, affecting overall engine performance. Understanding the MAP sensor's function aids in diagnosing related issues effectively. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC P0107 being triggered. Firstly, a short in the MAP sensor PB line can create an unintended ground connection, affecting the signal voltage from the sensor. Secondly, an open in the MAP sensor VCC line would prevent the sensor from receiving necessary power, thus failing to produce adequate voltage. Additionally, the MAP sensor itself may be defective, which could produce unreliable readings and trigger this DTC. Furthermore, issues involving the internal circuits of the PCM may also cause erroneous readings, indicating a need for comprehensive diagnostics. While these causes are common, it's important to note that there may be additional factors not listed here, necessitating a thorough investigation. When DTC P0107 is active, drivers may notice several adverse symptoms. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light, MIL, alerting the driver to a fault in the engine management system. Additionally, poor engine performance may become evident, manifesting as sluggish acceleration or an unresponsive throttle. This is often accompanied by a noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency, as the engine may be running richer than optimal. Other symptoms can include a rough idle or even stalling during operation, especially at low RPMs. Recognizing these signs early can facilitate timely repairs and adjustments to restore vehicle functionality. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying that the ignition switch is turned on. For Honda Accords with the standard key system, this means the ignition should be in the 2 position, while vehicles equipped with keyless access systems should have the engine start-stop button in on mode. It is crucial to ensure that the vehicle's electrical systems are fully operational to run diagnostics. Additionally, you must check for any active diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that might preclude the monitor from running correctly. Without clearing previous DTCs, it will be challenging to get an accurate picture of the vehicle's current state, as lingering codes can interfere with diagnostics. The second step in the troubleshooting process requires a detailed inspection of the MAP sensor wiring. Conduct a thorough visual examination to identify any noticeable shorts, opens, or physical damage in the wiring harness. The integrity of the wiring is paramount, as any breaks or shorts can disrupt the transmission of voltage back to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Pay particular attention to the harness connectors, ensuring they are clean and free from corrosion or debris that could impact connectivity. If physical abnormalities are discovered, repairs should be made or the wiring should be replaced before further diagnostics are conducted. In the third step, it's necessary to test the output voltage of the MAP sensor using a digital multimeter. Proper testing will confirm whether the output voltage is functioning within specified limits or has fallen below the critical threshold of 0.23 volts. By comparing the measured voltage against manufacturer specifications, troubleshooters can ascertain the condition of the MAP sensor. If the voltage is found to be consistently below the set point, this confirms that the sensor is either malfunctioning or that there is an issue within the wiring. Subsequent steps should focus on replacing the defective MAP sensor or addressing wiring issues as required. After completing the repairs related to DTC P0107, the final verification process must be executed. Begin by clearing any stored DTC codes from the PCM using a scan tool, ensuring that all previous errors are reset. Once this is done, perform a test drive under various conditions to allow the vehicle's computer to re-evaluate the sensor's functionality in real time. Monitor the check engine light status throughout the test drive. It should remain off if the problems have been resolved. After completing the drive cycle, recheck for any new or returning DTCs. If the DTC persists, it may indicate further underlying issues that require additional investigation. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0107 issues in the future. Regular inspections of the MAP sensor can help detect early signs of wear or damage, enabling timely interventions before a fault emerges. It's also essential to maintain clean and secure electrical connections. Dirt and corrosion can lead to signal interference, contributing to voltage drops. Periodically testing the voltage output from the MAP sensor can also preemptively highlight potential issues before they escalate into a confirmed DTC. Lastly, ensuring the overall health of the electrical system, especially the battery and ground connections, can contribute substantially to reliable vehicle operation. Consistent maintenance practices are invaluable for long-lasting performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!